So, what the heck is going on with the real estate market in Phoenix, Arizona? I'm Tony Vion. I'm the owner broker of Weichert Realtors Lake Realty in Gold Canyon, Arizona. And today I wanted to take a reflection back, let you know what happened in the real estate market during the month of June 2020, kind of give you an idea of what's happening in our market. So if you're a buyer and you're trying to buy a home in this market, you're going to know right away that there are more people looking to buy a home than there are homes for sale. I've made several offers for several buyers lately and have run into houses that had anywhere from 10 to 20 offers on the same house within days. So why is that? What's going on with that? Well, our inventory is really, really low. So let me start with what's happening in our Gold Canyon market. In Gold Canyon, our active listings are down 33% from what they were in 2019. Our month's supply of houses is down to 1.89 months supply of houses. So if no more houses came on the market for about 2 months, we would have nothing left to sell in Gold Canyon. So that kind of gives you an idea of what's going on there. Sales are up slightly over what they were last year, but again, it's, there's hardly anything to sell. Therefore, it's going to reflect in the number of sales that are happening. What I can tell you is that our home values, though, continue to be stable and rising. So because of the pent-up demand, home prices are going up. Oftentimes, homes are going for over asking price. So let me give you a broader view of what's happening in Maricopa County. Maricopa County is the biggest county in Arizona, at least population-wise, but I think size-wise, and one of the biggest counties in the entire nation. In Maricopa County right now, there is, let me get this right, there is a 0.85 months supply of homes. What that means is there is less than a 1 month supply of homes in all of Maricopa County right now. So again, if no more houses came on the market, in 1 month, we would be out of homes to sell. Looking at active listings, those are down 45% over 2019. Right now in Maricopa County, there's about 6,700 homes that are on the market for sale. This time last year, there were 12,400. And I can tell you that this time last year, it was down from the previous year. So the big story, the big takeaway right now is that homes are in a shortage, and it's not just Arizona, I can tell you. I hear reports from all across the country. We are not unique in that. So right now, that's kind of what's going on. If you're worried about home values are staying very, very stable. There's this market, it reminds me a little bit about what was happening in 2005, because that was a very, very brisk market. There were more people in the market than there were homes to sell. The one thing I want to caution you about is there are people out there forecasting that, oh my gosh, it's going to be like 2008 and the bottom's going to fall out of the market. Well, you have to understand that we are not anywhere in our economy like we were in 2008. During the 2000 to 2005-6 era, there were people getting loans to buy houses that just flat couldn't afford the houses. And so that's where we saw the economy dive, when all of a sudden all of those mortgages adjusted, things happened, people ran into some kind of financial problem because most of the mortgages were going up and they just had to walk away from their home, which then caused the opposite problem. There were more homes to sell than there were people to buy them, and that's where the market crashes. There are people concerned that that may happen now with people being out of their jobs. But again, more people have more equity in their homes now than ever. They're just not seeing, I don't know of anybody out there who is seeing this happening where they're concerned about another market drop like that. Again, this whole thing that we're seeing right now is caused by a pandemic. It's not caused by anything economic. I know people will probably lose their houses because some still don't have jobs. But again, nobody's saying that it's enough to make a huge difference in the market. So here's my takeaway. If you want or need to sell a house right now, this is an awesome time to be able to sell a house, because I can pretty much guarantee you you're going to get a good value for your home. You could very well get multiple offers for your home. If you're a home buyer, make sure you're in a good position to buy that house. Make sure you're pre-approved, you're ready to go. Make sure when you find that house, you jump on it, you make a good, strong offer, you have a good, strong realtor behind you to help you drive that home, and that you can get into that home of your dreams. We are seeing a very, very busy market, especially for summer. I'm not expecting that to change anytime soon. I'm continuing to see low inventory of houses, big demand. Interest rates are just crazy low. You can get interest rates in the high 2% range right now. Unheard of. I've been in the business over 40 years, never seen interest rates this low. It's crazy. So that's kind of where I'm at with this. That's my opinion, what's going on in the market. Now is a great time for home sellers to sell, and still a good time if you want to buy a house with interest rates where they are, because if you wait a year, houses are going to be more expensive, interest rates are probably going to be higher, and there's just no way to win in that. So I hope this helped you. If you want any of these stats, leave me a message or personal message me. Happy to send these out to you. Please feel free to share this video with anybody that you wish. I just want people to be informed and know what's going on. If you have any questions, let me know that too as well. If not, have a great July. Try to stay cool. Temps in the Phoenix area are reaching 115 this weekend, so it's going to be a hot one. But stay cool and stay safe.